Greetings, champions of financial empowerment. Today, we're embarking on a turbocharged adventure into the realm of passive income, where your money becomes a powerhouse, working tirelessly while you kick back. I'm your navigator, Mr. Get Paid, and I'm about to take you on a thrilling expedition through the 8 most electrifying passive income ideas that are set to redefine your financial game in 2023. So, tighten your seatbelts and get ready to witness the magic of smart investments and game-changing strategies. Our quest ignites with the captivating art of dividend investing. Imagine this: you're not just an investor, you're a shareholder in some of the world's most influential companies. Picture yourself as part owner of giants like Apple, Coca-Cola, or Microsoft. But here's where the magic happens. These companies don't just stop at profits, they share their success with you through regular dividend payments. Every time these companies rake in profits, a portion flows back to you, the shareholder. It's like receiving a financial high five for believing in their growth. And the best part? Dividend investing isn't just about immediate gains. It's a journey to long-term wealth accumulation. Now let's talk strategy. It's all about picking the right dance partners. Companies with a proven track record of sharing the wealth. Look for those with consistent dividend payouts and a history of weathering economic storms. It's like joining a club of money-making insiders who know how to weather financial ups and downs. But here's where it gets even more exhilarating. Dividend reinvestment. Instead of cashing out your dividends, you can choose to reinvest them to buy more shares. It's like planting dividend seeds that grow into towering money trees, each branch bearing fruit in the form of even more dividends. So, as you sip your morning coffee, your money is working around the clock, growing your investments. It's like having an army of financial minions hustling for your future. Dividend investing isn't just a strategy, it's an art that lets you sculpt a passive income stream that stands the test of time. Get ready to embrace the power of dividend investing, where every stock you own whispers, "Congratulations, you're a shareholder." It's time to unlock a world where your financial destiny is intertwined with the success of the companies you believe in. Zooming into the future, we uncover the jaw-dropping marvel of real estate crowdfunding. Ever dreamt of owning a slice of a skyscraper? Well, now you can. Imagine being part of a squad of investors who pool resources to conquer real estate projects, big and small. The best part? You're in for the ride without the landlord hustle. Hold on to your hats as we plunge into the dynamic world of peer-to-peer lending. Ever thought about becoming the banker? Now's your chance. You lend money directly to folks in need and they pay you back with interest. It's like being the financial superhero, swooping in to rescue while your money does the heavy lifting. Now let's dive into the world of high-yield savings accounts. Your passport to a risk-free zone of steady, albeit modest, passive income. Imagine this: you're stashing away your hard-earned cash in a virtual treasure chest that grows over time. It's like giving your money a cozy home where it can rest and multiply. Here's the scoop: high-yield savings accounts are like the Goldilocks of finance. They offer a high interest rate compared to traditional saving accounts, without the rollercoaster ride of the stock market. Online banks are the gatekeepers to these treasure chests, offering interest rates that can be several times higher than what brick-and-mortar banks offer. Think of it as a win-win. Your money remains liquid and accessible, yet it grows over time. While you might not earn a fortune overnight, high-yield saving accounts are a safe haven for your emergency fund or short-term savings goals. It's like having a financial safety net that also generates some extra cash. And guess what? The magic of compound interest isn't limited to investments. It works its charm here too. As your savings balance grows, your interest compounds, snowballing your passive income. It's like a snowflake effect, where each tiny bit of interest adds up and creates a beautiful financial landscape. But here's the secret sauce. Don't settle for just any high-yield savings account. Shop around, compare interest rates, and choose an online bank that offers favorable terms and minimal fees. It's like picking the juiciest fruit from the financial orchard. So, if you're looking for a passive income avenue that combines security with growth, high-yield saving accounts are your ticket. Your money grows at its own pace, while you enjoy peace of mind knowing that it's there when you need it. It's time to let your money do the work, while you reap the rewards. Get ready to embrace the world of high-yield savings accounts, where your money takes center stage in a play of financial empowerment. It's time to watch your savings flourish like never before. Hold on to your real estate dreams. because we're about to unlock the doors to rental property income, a powerhouse of passive cash flow that lets your property work for you while you sip your favorite drink by the beach. It's like having your own money-making real estate empire without the hassle of being a landlord 24/7. Picture this: you're the proud owner of a rental property. Whether it's a cozy apartment, a charming townhouse, or a stunning vacation home, you're not just investing in bricks and mortar, you're creating a stream of income that flows into your bank account like a steady river. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about owning a property, it's about being a savvy landlord. You get to choose your tenants, set rental rates, and watch as your investment generates passive income month after month. It's like watching your garden bloom with financial abundance. Now here's where the real magic happens. Property appreciation. Over time, as the real estate market dances to its tune, your property's value may increase. It's like a treasure chest buried beneath your property, waiting to be discovered and unlocked when you decide to sell. But hold on, we're not done yet. Say hello to property management companies. These heroes step in to take care of the nitty-gritty, from screening tenants and handling repairs to collect rent. It's like having a backstage crew that ensures your show runs smoothly while you enjoy the limelight. And here's a pro tip: location is your golden compass. Invest in areas with high demand and growth potential. It's like picking the juiciest fruit from the real estate orchard, ensuring your property thrives and attracts quality tenants. So, if you're ready to dip your toes into the sea of rental property income, get ready for a journey that marries real estate ownership with passive income brilliance. It's time to let your property become a star in the blockbuster movie of your financial success. Welcome to the world of rental property income, where your property becomes your partner in a dance of profitability and prosperity. Get ready to reap the rewards while your real estate investment takes center stage. Get ready to ride the digital wave of affiliate marketing. Picture this: you're the modern-day matchmaker, connecting people with products they adore. You promote cool stuff, and every time someone takes the bait, you're rewarded with sweet commission. It's like being a trendsetter with a financial twist. Now let's tap into your inner digital genius with create and sell digital products. Imagine crafting your very own virtual treasure chest, from ebooks and online courses to snazzy templates. Once you've done the groundwork, it's like launching a rocket that keeps soaring, delivering profits even while you're catching some Z's. And finally, we're venturing into the majestic realm of royalties from intellectual property. If you've got a creative spark, it's time to let it shine. Imagine your art, music, or written works becoming eternal money-making maestros, spreading your financial legacy to the corners of the world. That, my intrepid financial warriors, wraps up our journey through the dazzling tapestry of passive income. From dividend dreams to digital dazzlers, these ideas hold the key to sculpting a future where your money works as hard as you do. So, gear up, take action, and let's usher in an era of unstoppable financial freedom.